Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you, and be blessed. On today's video, I just want to show you how I clean our microwave over here. So there I have lemon, fresh lemon, salt, soap for dishwashing, and I have warm water. So first we have this plate inside the microwave. You make sure you remove it first before you start anything. You remove the glass plate first, then with that carrying that goes round, you have to remove it and put it aside for you will wash later. Okay, then that's how I do it. Okay, keep watching, enjoy, share, comment down below how you wash your microwave, how you clean it. Yeah, so watch closely how I do it. Okay. While scrubbing, make sure you clean on top there. We have that grill over there. When you warm the food, obvious the particles, when they split, they will stick over there. So please make sure you scrub it to remove the particles. Okay, so that's how it looks. Make sure you clean everywhere, you scrub it everywhere. Be gentle, don't put the energy too much, but be gentle. Okay. As you can see, I have removed all the soapy from the inside. Now still wiping with warm water, still wiping with the warm water, wiping with the warm water over there. As you can see, the outcome is wow. And yet we have not finished. We haven't finished, but the outcome looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. So aside, I had warm water again. So that is the warm water. Then at this point, it's when I will use lemon warm water again with salt, and with a different cloth, a clean one. Yeah, a different cloth, a clean one, to wipe inside for it to feel fresh, to smell fresh. Okay, keep watching. Okay. While wiping, be careful, okay? Be very careful not to break the dough. Be very careful how you hold it. Be very careful. So you are wiping. I was wiping inside with a clean cloth, with clean water, lemon and salt water, for it to smell fresh. And make sure you don't leave water inside, because this one we use electricity to warm food, and electric with water, it's a no-go zone. So you make sure no water. So there, I had to wash the plate, the glass plate. Yes, that's how I washed it. You clean, you rinse. Make sure you rinse with clean water. There you can see how it is. Then again, I had to wipe the glass with this cloth that has lemon water. Yeah, for it also to smell fresh. Okay, yeah, keep watching, please keep watching. So at that point, I wipe the kitchen towel before I put it inside, to make sure there is no water left. Okay, I make sure there is no water left. I wipe again the plate glass with the kitchen towel, yeah, to make sure no water. So guys, as you know, here it's we are learning how to clean kitchen stuffs. Yeah, on Lillian's channel it's all about cleaning. Please, if you know other way I can do it, please share, comment down below, leave a sweet comment, please support your girl. Okay, so that's how it looks. That's the end result. That's how it looks. Okay, if you like it, please comment down below and tell me what you want to watch next, so that I can do it for you. Okay, tell me what you want to know in the next video, or what you want me to show you how to clean on the next video. Give your views, please. Keep your comments sweet, and I appreciate that. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Mashallah, Shufi, look at this. This is wow. Okay, that's the outcome. Thank you for watching. Ta-da! Bye bye.